My name's Jerry Kine. I'm from Fruita, Colorado. I like the outdoors, the change in season, the camping, the hunting, the fishing, RVing. Well, I wanted a building for several reasons. Main reason was to park my RV inside and get it out of the weather. Another place to store all my toys, my four-wheelers and stuff, and then eventually have a small living area in the front. I think the beauty of it came out real good. I went through a lengthy design process in my head with it and then got it on paper, and it met, it's like a dream come true. It's a dream shop. The only real frustration I had with the building is just the period of time that it took, and that had to do with when I started the process, the supply chain issues, and getting the building, but it was, believe me, well worth the wait. I went back and looked, and from the day that I started the design on the internet to the building being completed and the permit being finalized was 1 year and 4 months. A lot of that had to do with when I started the building during the pandemic, and then also the weather here. The building was ready and got delivered, and then we had weather delays as far as being able to put it up. So, actually, I'm a retired commercial contractor. This is what I would refer to as my dream shop. I've had this in mind for years. It started out with going on the Great Western website and doing, they allow you to do design on there on your own, and I messed around with the building and came up with what I wanted. Had a salesperson contact me and help me make some adjustments and stuff on it, and came up with a package and bought the building. I'd like to thank probably everybody at Great Western Builders, Eric, Ray, and then they helped me find an installer that was fantastic. His name was Jeff, and they did a great job.